Hello, everybody, and I am Ryan, or as you know, Loud Cheese. I don't know why I'm moving so slow. I really don't. I think it's the frame rate, but that's kind of weird. I can't move anywhere. Oh, but I haven't recorded in a while. I really wanted to record. I've been busy, pretty busy. But I found this fun game. It's called Deadbolt, and I don't know why the frame rate is wrong. That's really weird. Really. But I think I'll put the link in the description to where you can find it. It's a really fun game. I'll show you. It's like scamming you, like murder people. I've already played it a little bit though, so see, look. Yeah, but as you can see here, I haven't played too much. So it's a really hard game. It's really, really hard. But I'm pretty used to it by now. But maybe not the slow version. Yeah, I've been wanting to record because I haven't recorded in a while. Alright, let's take out this guy. Boom! Slow motion kill. Oh yeah, but in this game you have to right click first to aim, and then hit the left button. Here's what I like to do with this guy. Ooh. I like to do that first. Man, this is really weird because it's slow. I actually like it slow. Oh crap. Gotta turn off the lights. Oh no. Oh no. He's like, what the heck just happened? Hey, man. Oh! Boom! Right in the head. Oh! I just killed him. I am moving very slow. What? How did I get back up here? I swear I went downstairs. Missed. That was not a miss. You guys saw that, right? Did everyone see that? Boom! A headshot. And I win. Oh, okay, that's just my car. Look at all the blood on the walls. That's not very pleasant. But I really like my car. It's a very pleasant car. I wonder if I get all my money from doing this. Maybe someone pays me. And that's where I got the money to get that car. Oh! Didn't think it was that fast, but I guess it was. I am moving slow. It's probably because I'm recording, I would guess. But this game is fun. But so if you guys go in the link in the description, you can download it if you want. Hopefully it's there. I really hope it's there. Just yell at me if it's not there. Oh no. Is he gonna puff on? No, man. This isn't the time to... The new high? Is that the name of the street and the drugs? The light doesn't work. I don't like it. God, man, it's not time to expose yourself to drugs. No, it's too risky. Oh, is that right, man? Is that right? Is it? Whoa. Found the drugs. No, what am I doing? Get up, you retard. Shut off the light. Now go run. They won't find me here. Trust me, they won't. I used one too many shots. Are you guys coming down? You know what? I'm going out. Fine, just come down, but I'm going through the toilet. That's right. What happened? Oh! Tricked ya. What was that? Oh no. Boom. Gotta make it to this light switch. And the vent. Oh. Oh. Gotta make it to that other weapon. Also the knives, if you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna knife this guy. Oops. Ooh, yes, I want to throw one. Oh! Got a knife up. Fine, whatever. Knives are powerful these days. I'm gonna do it. This guy's still standing down here? What is he, a retard? Run for it. Ooh! I thought he shot me. Bam! Surprise! Oh! I wasted like all my bullets doing that. Where's that other guy? Is he even there? He's in the bathroom. In the potty. In the potty. Wait, is this even a good idea? I don't think that's a good idea. I'm going around. Because I'm smart. You know what? No, let's be dangerous. Because it's for entertainment. Hey man, guess what? Surprise! Dang it. Well, that did not work. I'll tell you that. That did not work. You know what? I'm just gonna YOLO this. Surprise. I'm a sausage. Ow, that hurt my throat. Ugh. 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 Don't do that. Don't do what I just did. It's very painful. Very. I don't even know what I did either. I don't. You know, I'm gonna throw a knife at this guy. far. Somewhere over the rainbow, you'll get hit with a knife. In the foot, I guess. That was close. I almost did not hit him. I'm YOLOing this. Oh no. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was close. I found the drugs, I think. I found the drugs, but it's not saying it. Do I have to... Oh, I have to click E on it. Oh, so that's what I did the last time. When I was saying, get up, you tard. Boom! Blown to pieces. Oh, I'm so fat. I can't even run to the toilet that I'm gonna climb into. Well, how did I even make it in the toilet? That doesn't make any sense. Beautiful. Let's do one more. Let's do one more if I can. And I don't know why I was doing that. Ah, isn't this fire beautiful? No! Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys didn't know, that's how you enter the next mission. Here, I can just show you real quick. Like, if you come over here, it doesn't show you the mission, like the next mission. Because see, it only shows the ones that are complete. But if you go... Hold on, I'll show you what I mean. Alright. If you go over to this chair, moving very slowly, not that slow, it's not normally that slow, and then you just wait a little bit, this thing comes up, and then you click on this, and then this, and then that, and then you can hit escape, and then it shows you the next mission. It's kind of a weird way to get to the next mission. I would have never figured that out. That mission is really hard, by the way. I tried so many times. Because I never planned on doing this for YouTube. But I figured it would be fun. I've had it for a few days. Oh, so this is the third... Yes, this is. And I believe I can get another weapon. A revolver. I'm coming, Martha. I'm gonna YOLO this again. My arm is through the door. Can I shoot it? I'm gonna go poop out that guy's guts. I'm here. That was close. Guess what? I'm home. Frick, I'm out of bullets. Oh, try and get me now. YOLO. That's right, kids. There's knives. There's knives. I'm gonna grab the 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 knives. Oh crap. I tried running for it. And now everything's all over the wall. I'm gonna go kill this guy first because he has a shotgun. Just because I want to kill him first. Because he has a shotgun. The cow goes moo. How does that work? How does that work? How is that logic? I'll give it one more attempt. Shoot him! Frick. Whoa, I saw a piece go all the way over there. Ah! I'm gonna go blow this guy's guts out in the toilet just because I want to. Ooh. That wasn't a very pleasant, like, noise right there. Run for upstairs! Oh, YOLO! Oh, oh, juke! Oh, crap. No. I think I can. Oh! I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Run out of the room! I'm actually doing this. Who am I? Who the freak am I? Dude, come upstairs, man. It's more of a party up here if you didn't know. Yeah, man, come up here. I'm not downstairs, you stupid. Someone is very stupid. Okay, never mind here. Brian, I'm gonna wait for you because I'm doing really good. Well, if you're coming, come on. I don't got all day. Or night, as it looks. I'm gonna get ready to shoot. Oh, headshot. Bam. Nope, there's no stuff down there or whatever. Oh! Someone got a headshot. Fire. Light off. Boom. Fire. Oh, someone's gonna get more stuff. That wasn't noisy at all. What are they talking about? Gotta hurry and shut off the lights before that guy comes and gets me. What the heck? 21? I'm not 21. Wait, no, I am. Wait, no, I'm not. Yeah, you guys are getting a full-on surprise when you get up here. It's not gonna be very fun. I'm just telling you that right now. Uh-oh. Did that guy hear me? I think he heard me. Now he heard me. These guys just go straight upstairs. Alright. Oh, I did it. I took out everyone almost in this house. I just gotta take out that guy on the couch. I'm gonna surprise him. What's for dinner, honey? Dang it. No leftover meatloaf, that's for sure. Wait. What? But that guy didn't die. He didn't die. He didn't die. No, I gotta kill everyone. There's still one more guy left. I can sense it. I can feel it in my brain. Man, the cops aren't sure, or certainly not going to be searching. See, look, here's one guy left. I'm going to shoot him with my shotgun. They can't just tell me to leave like that. And I got to turn off all of that, so no one suspects a thing. Last light. Hopefully I didn't miss any lights. This house is sleeping now. They're sleeping under my name. Not above, but under. No! I didn't want to turn that on. What the heck? I'm making it to my car very slowly. Victory is mine! But it won't be next time. I know it won't. There's like no possible. If I'll even show you guys what the next level looks like. It's not. It's like not possible at all. It like truly is not. It's insane. I'll even test it out. I mean, I know I don't have that much time. Probably it's been like. Hold on, let me check. 20-something minutes. But I'm still doing it anyways. I'm gonna take them out. Gonna take them all out. See, look at this. Alright, there's a big guy up there. There's more big guys up there. Two big guys right there. Guys sitting on the bench right there with the door up there. And then this toilet, you can't even go. Spit on my computer screen. The toilet, you can't even go down the toilet, but you can go up through it. Oh wait, no. It doesn't even lead to the toilet. It doesn't even lead to the toilet. It leads up to that vent. And then we got this guy patrolling up here. This guy down here. So if you go down there, he'll catch you, and then you have to like shoot him. And did you see that? Right there's right there's a Tommy gun or whatever. Yeah. I'm here. They don't suspect a thing. They don't so can't say it. Hey. You dead. Heh. This guy was watching over here. He doesn't realize it. He's just too blind. Oh, triple kill. Now all I have to do is get that gun down there. This guy will only see me. Oh, but then that guy suspects it or whatever. There we go. That's the word. Now I just gotta wait for this guy to come out. Come on out, man. And take me out, you know? Just a friendly battle here. We're all friends, you know? Yep, yeah, come on. You got it. Don't be scared. We're all friends. Nope, no. We're all friends, man. What the heck are you doing? Just because I'm not there or something, you think, okay, whatever. Because I took you out, and I got my Tommy gun. What this means? I wonder how you get out there. Oh, you have to go past. I'm gonna wait for this guy. I'm gonna be smart about this now. Okay, I'm not very smart about this. Okay, this isn't smart at all. Get ready to shoot. I thought I had it there. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video. If you guys want to see more of this Deadbolt game. That's what it's called. I've never really mentioned the title. Hit that like button down below. And yeah, I'm gonna load this. I'm out. Peace out, man. Oh, what happened to me? I'm out. And I'm falling. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later.